We got an April snowstorm in Montreal, so I'm gonna go for a surf just in my board shorts and see how that goes. It's gonna be freaking freezing. Let's go! Oh, the rest will come off while we drive. Not snowing as hard as it was, but I'm gonna go for it anyway. Should be fun. See if I can last more than 2 minutes. Want to go ahead of me to get an opposite shot?
Not rare footage of Orion trying to control the chute.
I'm gonna try and do an ice bath combined with my surf and go in my board shorts. So here we are, let's do it. Frickin' hell, it's already cold. Why am I doing this? Okay, here we go.
Intrinsically algorithmic. The human heart is as specific and prolific as it is artistic, and it remains mystic. Cryptic yet simplistic in its repetition, to deviate is cataclysmic. The scientific tradition of being cynics has uncovered greatness, albeit dualistic, mimicking the characteristics of the critics become monolithic, yet research realms less rigid. Matrix modulation through experimentation, freeing the nations. Cyclical prosaic altercations of prescribed sequence guides. A spinal stimulation reveals a constellation, exhalation, invitation. Heart, voice, and medulla mind, magnetization. Pulse liberation, cadence sublimation in the culmination of the crowning calculation. living vines interlocking, but it's shocking. People are products, so don't be mocking. They clock in your every moment, logged on or off, they're watching and they're not stopping. Defrauding and robbing and knocking at your door. You need more and more, so go shopping till your drive is paralyzed. Your arteries clogging, brain rotting, coughing and crawling, propaganda hawking. Lucky the cosmos is paradoxical, unambiguous, impossible, comical and symbolical, but audible, optical, logical, always methodical. For neurological mastery is astronomical, immunity guaranteed by the physiological asterisms, access through psychological skeleton, elegant rhythmic pulsing particles, shoulder line, dividing mind and the articles.
Algorithm, dualism, mesmerism, magnetism. Algorithm, dualism, magnetism.
Gorgeous. And not as bad as I expected, but not recommended. Oh, so cold. So glad I wore the gloves and boots. Probably keep going, but I think because I don't know how my body's gonna handle this after, I'm gonna call it one and done for today. Go get changed. Woo. Thanks for coming. Subscribe to the channel. Peace. My ears are so cold. I should have worn a little hat for my hair, but I wanted to get out there. I have like ear, just top of ear, not ear low, like top of ear brain freeze. Ugh. My body feels okay though. Such a contrast from an ice bath. Because an ice bath you get in and just sit like calm and still. But this was like full motion.